The simulated derailment took place at the old Mimico South Rail Yard and took hundreds of volunteers and 6 months to plan.
It's the biggest exercise of the sort we've ever done. It's a type of situation we never want to be in, but we have to prepare for the worst.
We tried to make it as real as possible. We actually derailed the train under control, create enough of a live enough real scenario at least to present the sense of urgency for our responders.
The exercise was planned down to the smallest details, including volunteer makeup artists, a smoke generator, and decals to simulate broken windows and dents, all meant to add a sense of realism to the mock crash. Metrolinx brought together the exact same first responder teams that would be called to handle a real-life crash and its victims.
Amongst the 150 people, there was also a number of people that were identified to have injuries or some sort of circumstances.
Volunteers were assigned roles to play, each with a different type of injury. Some were directed to portray delayed medical reactions, or to frantically search for a loved one.
Where's my dad? Where's my dad?
Or to simply remain unresponsive. It's all meant to keep the first responders alert, forcing them to adapt to a chaotic scene that is constantly changing.
Coordination amongst different responders are crucial in a real event, because the quality of the coordination really determines the success of your response to an event like this.
While the event unfolds at the simulated crash site, the Network Operations Center, or NOC, is on high alert, ensuring the rest of the system continues to run smoothly.
But they are a critical part to any major emergency response operation. So a lot of unsung heroes when all this happens that you typically wouldn't see.
At its core, this exercise is about learning, planning, and the safety of all Metrolinx employees and customers.
It's really important that we test and simulate and make sure that our processes inside our organization and our process with first responders outside of our organization work really well. Safety is just non-negotiable, and it's really important that should there be a bad incident, that we know how to respond and that we do it as well as we can.